I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Windows 10 or 11 and that you have administrator rights. This matters because Defender will enable automatically only with admin control. Once done, back up any Mcafee settings and create a restore point so you can revert if needed. Next, open Mcafee, disable real-time scanning, and close its background processes. This prevents file locks during removal. Finally, go to Settings Apps to start the uninstall. This initiates the transition to Windows Defender and ensures components can be removed cleanly. You now remove Mcafee fully. Use Settings Apps to uninstall the program, or run Mcafee's built-in uninstaller if present, because residual services can block Defender. Once the uninstall completes, download and run the Mcafee Consumer Product Removal (MCPR) tool. This cleans registry keys and drivers that survive normal uninstall. After the MCPR finishes, reboot immediately. The restart is required to unload drivers and let Windows detect the absence of third-party antivirus. Make sure to sign in with your admin account when Windows boots back up. You finish by enabling Windows Defender. Open Settings Update and Security Windows Security, then check Virus and Threat Protection to confirm real-time protection is active. Windows usually enables Defender automatically when no other antivirus is present. If Defender remains off, make sure group policy or registry entries left by Mcafee are not blocking it. Use gpedit, MSC, or registry editor carefully. If problems persist, run sfc/scano and dism repairs, then reboot. One key tip: if scans fail, reinstall Mcafee removal tool and repeat cleanup to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.